empty pot. The Emperor of China was growing old and had no son. He decided to hold a competition to choose his successor. So, he invited all the boys of the kingdom and distributed flower seeds to them. He announced that whoever grew the best plant would be the next emperor. The boys hopefully took the seeds home and planted them in pots. One of the boys, Ping, was considered the best gardener. He tried his best to grow his seed, but nothing happened. The seeds of the other boys quickly sprouted and grew. Finally, the day came to show the flowers to the emperor. The emperor looked at the green plants with a frown on his face. He saw Ping's empty pot and smiled. The emperor declared him the new emperor of China. He said, "The seeds I gave you all were cooked and thus could not grow." Ping was rewarded for his honesty. The talking bird. Once a man had a pet talking bird. He loved traveling and had traveled all over the world. One day, he was far away from home and was left with no money. The bird understood the man's troubles and asked the man to sell it. Unwillingly, he took the bird to the palace. The prince was delighted to hear the bird talking. He gave the man 10 ounces of silver in return for the bird. The prince talked with the bird throughout the day. "Now, it was my time to serve the food," the bird said. "May I have a bath?" The servants brought water in a golden bowl and opened the cage door. The bird splashed about in the bath and then perched on a tree. It kept talking to the prince. Suddenly, it said, "Goodbye, I'm off," and the bird went back to the man. Who was the sinner? Long ago, 10 farmers were crossing the field together. Suddenly, there was a heavy thunderstorm, and they had to take refuge in a half-ruined temple. While they thought they were safe inside, lightning flew around the temple in a continuous circle. The farmers were scared and thought that there must be a sinner among them, whom the lightning would strike. To find out who he was, they decided to hang their straw hats above the door. Lightning struck one of the hats and blew it away. The 9 farmers threw the unlucky owner of the hat out of the doors without mercy. But the moment he was thrown out of the temple, the lightning struck the temple. The one who was thrown out was the only virtuous one among them, and for his sake, the lightning had spared the temple. So, the others had to pay for their stone-heartedness with their lives. The race for the Chinese Zodiac. Once, the Jade Emperor announced a race for the 12 places in the Chinese Zodiac. All the animals had to cross the river to win the race. The rat and the cat were best friends. They hatched a plan to ride the mighty ox and win the race. They both climbed on the ox and joined the other animals in the race to cross the river. But the rat moved hastily and the cat fell down. The ox kept running in front, unaware of the rat on top. The rat jumped off when they had crossed the river to become the first animal of the Zodiac. It was followed by the ox, the tiger, the rabbit, the dragon, the snake, the horse, the goat, the monkey, the rooster, the dog, and the pig. The cat, however, reached too late and missed the race. That is why there is no zodiac named after the cat, and the cat always hates the rat.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.